Every year something unusual happens in the markets and most people never notice it. In December, prices move in ways that look normal but are not what they seem. Historically, the S&P 500 has shown a pattern where January often starts with gains higher than most other months. Even more striking, some groups of stocks would on average gain between 1.7 and 3.2% in January, significantly more than their typical monthly moves. And there is another pattern people talk about, the so-called Santa Claus rally. Over many decades, markets have tended to rise in the last few trading days of December into the first couple of days of January, about 3/4 of the time, with an average gain of roughly 1.3% in that short period. At first glance, those numbers might seem small, but in financial markets, patterns like these rarely happen by accident. And here's the thing, nobody ever walks up to you on January 2nd and says, "Guess what it is, January effect time." Nobody tunes in because of some calendar quirk. Yet these patterns keep repeating year after year. Before January arrives, December behaves differently. Investors and traders act not on what they truly believe, but on what looks right at the moment. They hide positions they do not want to show, they push aside investments that are inconvenient, and they hold on to things that make their reports look tidy and neat. Even if you are not a trader, the way markets behave at the end of the year can touch your life. Your retirement fund may dip a little in December and feel alarming, even though nothing really changed. The stock or index you watch may seem stubborn or unpredictable and make you question your choices, but when January arrives, what seemed like a loss often reverses and reality emerges quietly. If you do not understand this rhythm, you might make decisions based on appearances instead of the real pattern. Beneath the surface. To the outside observer, the market seems calm, predictable, logical, but that calm is deceptive. It is like watching a magician perform a trick and only seeing the shadow of what is really happening. And here is the part most people miss. When January begins, the disguise fades, the pressure disappears, and the real intentions of the market come to the surface. What seemed stubborn or strange in December suddenly makes sense, and patterns that were hidden become visible. It is not luck, it is not chaos, it is human behavior acting in a predictable way under deadlines and scrutiny. This is the hidden rhythm of the market, the invisible hand of behavior and timing that most people overlook. And in the next part, we will explore why this happens, what experts say, and the real signals that most people never notice. So why does this happen every year, and why do experts keep noticing it? The answer is simpler than it sounds, and it has nothing to do with luck or magic. At the end of December, investors and fund managers are under pressure to make their portfolios look good for reports, and for clients they are watched by colleagues, by bosses, and sometimes by the public. Because of that pressure, they make choices based on appearances, not conviction. They might sell stocks that performed poorly just to tidy things up. Even if they think those stocks will recover, they might hold on to investments that look safe, even if they are not the best choice. Researchers who study market behavior have observed this for decades. They call it the January effect. They say it is not a rule, it is a tendency, a pattern that repeats because people behave the same way under deadlines and scrutiny. Some experts point out that smaller stocks and less popular investments tend to show this pattern more strongly because they are easier to move when attention is focused elsewhere. Larger stocks move too, but often more slowly and less dramatically. Other market historians highlight the Santa Claus rally. They say it is not just holiday cheer, it is the result of calm conditions, low trading volumes, and subtle buying pressure at the end of the year. These small shifts set the stage for January, when the real intentions of investors emerge. Even more importantly, these experts warn that this behavior can affect ordinary people. Every time you see your retirement account dip in December or a stock seems stuck, you might panic or make a sudden move, but the experts say patience matters. The patterns show that these moves are often temporary, and January often corrects the appearance of losses or gains. Understanding this is like learning a hidden rhythm. Once you see it, you notice how predictable human behavior can be, even in something as complex as the stock market. And the most interesting part is how this rhythm interacts with modern trading technology, with news headlines, and with the choices of millions of everyday investors all at the same time. In the next part, we will explore what this means for the future, how to spot real signals, and how some people use this knowledge without relying on luck or guesswork. Now that we understand the hidden rhythm of December and January, and why experts call it the January effect, the question is, what does it mean for you? Even if you do not trade stocks or follow the markets closely, this pattern can touch your life quietly but noticeably. Your retirement account, your savings plan, or any investment you have can appear to lose value in December, not because anything is wrong, but because of the way people behave at year-end. Then in January, what seemed like a loss can turn into a gain almost overnight. For everyday investors, this can feel confusing or even alarming, but experts say this is exactly why awareness matters. If you know this rhythm, you avoid reacting to appearances, you avoid panic, selling. You understand that the market has a natural cycle and that human behavior often drives temporary shifts more than real changes in value. Some market watchers even say that observing these patterns without acting recklessly is like having a backstage pass. You see the signals most people miss and you understand why certain stocks move at certain times. The hidden rhythm also teaches a bigger lesson about timing, patience, and perspective, not just in markets but in life. Things are often not as chaotic as they appear. Sometimes waiting and observing is more powerful than reacting immediately. And finally, the January effect reminds us that markets are human at their core, that behind every number, chart, and price there are people making choices under pressure and deadlines. Once you understand that, you see the market differently. You see patterns where others see randomness. You notice the subtle ways behavior influences prices, and you understand how timing matters. The end of the year is more than a calendar change. It is a quiet demonstration of human behavior on a massive scale, and understanding it can help you make sense of what otherwise feels unpredictable. So as the next year begins, remember this hidden rhythm. Watch patiently, understand the signals, and you will see that what seems sudden is often perfectly predictable.